Hey guys, it's been a while. It's your girl Tay Slay Nails here, and I'm super excited to show you guys this brand new product that I just tried out from Young Nails called Mission Control. I've been using potted gels for a while. I really love them for art, so I was so excited when I heard that they came out with potted gels. The colors are super bright and pigmented, and I think it's a really good one to mix colors for art. I'm going to start off by removing her gel polish. It's been a month since I've done her nails. I use a ceramic bit for this, and the base coat that I use, I don't file down to her natural nail. I just file to the base coat. Keeps them long and strong. I'm going to remove the dust, and I've already filed and shaped her nails a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the cuticle from around her nail plate to prevent any type of lifting. Now I'm going to file them again just to make sure they're nice and straight, sidewall, sidewall, and in the top. Now I'm going to rough the surface of her nail to create a perfect place for us to lay that gel polish down with no lifting. I'm going to go ahead and spray her nails with alcohol and remove the dust. Now I use Bond-Aid, which is a pH balancer. I'm sure you guys know about that. Protein Bond, my favorite bonder from Young Nails. And now I'm going to go into my Jealousy base coat. The good thing about this base coat is you don't have to actually soak it off. You can just file it off and basically fill it. Now I've added one layer of the Jealousy base coat, and I'm using strips of transfer foil to create this holographic design. After I had applied one layer of Jealousy base, I did not cure. I put it in the lamp after I applied the strips, cured it, and then removed the plastic off of it, and it left that design. Now I am going to take a little bit of the Mission Control gel. The consistency is a little bit runnier than most potted gels, however, it was very easy to work with. I started off by doing lines down the nail to create a scale design, like a snake skin. I had to cure in between. After about maybe a minute, the gel did start to slide around just a tad bit. So for her thumbnail, I decided to use Bio Seaweed Gel's Red Delicious, and I also used a matte top coat to matte that nail out from Lac. I'm going to remove the inhibition layer with alcohol, and look at that. Ooh, so nice, so nice. You know you like that matte. So I'm going to take my brush, draw 4 little dots around the nail, and I'm going to fill that heart in. I'm using Bio Seaweed Gel Base 1 right now to create this. I'm going to cure it. After it's cured, I will be taking just a little bit of holographic chrome flakes and dabbing it on the inhibition layer on the thumb to make that thumb holographic. After I have done that, I'm going to clean up the line a little bit where the matte was, and now I'm going to cover the whole heart in a no wipe top. Now for her pinky nail, I'm going to create a glitter ombre. I've already done one layer of it. I took my Bio Seaweed Gel base coat, and now I'm dabbing the glitter on the wet gel on the tip as well. I covered that in a top coat after I cured this layer. Now this nail right here, I did cover the whole entire nail. I did this just to show you guys that you can cover the whole nail with this gel. Overall, I would give this an 8 out of 10. It wasn't the easiest for art, however, I do think that they have a lot of good primary colors that are great for mixing. When you would need to customize any color, it's really, really good. It's a good thing to have in your kit for any client, honestly. Let me know how you guys like these nails. I think they came out super cute. Follow me on Instagram, please.